For generations, Nissan has built trucks that worked as hard as the people who drove them. Innovative, enduring, ready for anything. That spirit of grit and ingenuity gave rise to Navara, a ute that's been part of our story for 40 years.
The Navara benefits from locally tuned and tested suspension by Premcar that address the diverse needs of pickup buyers across Oceania. This unique domestic experience and engineering knowledge ensures exceptional on-road and off-road performance, steadfast handling when towing, and a large load carrying capability. It also ensures, whether unladen or loaded to maximum capacity, the new Navara delivers comfort and confidence, reflecting feedback from 4 decades of use in this market. The local suspension development program represents one of the most comprehensive engineering projects undertaken by Nissan here in Australia, said Andrew Humberston, Managing Director, Nissan Oceania. Premcar invested countless man-hours, driving the new Navara over 18,000 kilometers, testing across every conceivable surface and driving condition, from the outback's corrugated roads to urban stop-start traffic with heavy loads. All grades of the new Navara are fitted with distinct, locally tuned suspension, optimized for Australia and New Zealand's conditions. This engineering excellence delivers a compliant and comfortable ride, both unladen and fully loaded. All models of the new Navara range also offer a 3,500 kg brake towing capacity.